This was a 1969 Remington Mark II typewriter. It has been refurbished. It is in excellent condition and it is ready to type. This Remington typewriter is 1969 model, but it looks almost new. Keys are really nice, have a real nice look and feel to them. It's got a little bit of a mark here. There's some scuffing there. Looks really good overall, almost looks new. I also have the original owner's manual and a cleaning brush. This typewriter also comes with its original case, which has been cleaned, a solid latch as well. It looks really good. It does have some scuffs and some maybe paint on the edge thing. I do not have the key for it. The inside of the case looks pretty good too. It does have, I guess, some kind of staining along the edge maybe. Typewriter made in Holland, case made in West Germany. Looks really good. I wanted to show you how to take the typewriter out of the case. It's kind of different than most models. Remove the top of the case. Set it aside. Now to get the typewriter out of the bottom part of the case, you actually take the lid off. There's two levers here on each side, right in front of the ribbon spool. You push them down and that releases it. That's the 1969 Remington Mark II